We wash our hands the proper way. Rub them, scrub them nice and slow. Make the bubbly soap foam grow. Clean hands help us stay so strong. So come and sing this washing song. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Make them nice and clean. Front and back and in between. Shiniest you've ever seen. Rub, rub, don't you stop. Bubbles popping, pop, pop, pop. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Healthy and serene. Add the soap. Turn the water not too fast. Wet your hands, make it last. Pump the soap into your palm. Rub them gently, nice and calm. Fingers dancing round and round. Foamy bubbles all around. Little germs begin to slide. They can't find a place to hide. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Make them nice and clean. Front and back and in between. Shiniest you've ever seen. Rub, rub, don't you stop. Bubbles popping, pop, pop, pop. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Healthy and serene. And proceed. Don't get thin between each finger. That's where tiny germs can linger. Rub them in and rub them out. Chase those sneaky germs about. Thumbs and nails and wrists too. Give them all a scrub-a-do. Count to 20 nice and slow. Watch the bubbly magic grow. Counting bridge. 1. Scrub a little more. 5. 6, 7, 8. Keep them clean. It feels so great. 9. 10, 11, 12. Healthy hands are best for ourselves. 13, 14, 15, 16. Cleanest hands you've ever seen. 17, 18, 19, 20. Sparkly hands, so fresh and plenty. Now it's time to rinse them clean. Wash away the bubbly sheen. Watch the soap slide down the drain. Bye bye germs, don't come again. Shake them gently, drip, drop, drop. Grab a towel and pat, not flop. Dry them well from wrist to tip. Clean hands ready, hip, hip, hip. Wash, wash, wash your hands. After sneezing too. After playing after school. It's the healthy thing to do. Front and back and in between. Keep them fresh and clean. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Healthy hygiene team. When do we wash? Before we eat a tasty snack. After touching puppy's back. After bathroom, yes, that's right. Morning, noon, and every night. If we cough or if we sneeze, wash away those germs with ease. Clean hands help our bodies grow. Strong and happy head to toe. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Bubbles in the air. Rub-a-dub and scrub-a-dub. Clean them everywhere. Healthy kids are happy kids. That's the golden rule. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Clean is always cool. Turn the tap.
Scrub those
and
germs
wave
away, kids. Make sure to get
goodbye.
between your fingers and under your nails.
Water rests and so do I. Hands are clean and feeling grand. Give yourself a big high hand. Great job, friends. Hip hooray! We washed our hands today.
Look at the bubbles. Are my hands clean now? Don't forget your thumbs. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Look at all the bubbles.
My hands are super clean now. Rub the soap like this.
get all the germs off. Wow, look at the bubbles.